Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna tell you how to download Free Fire on PC and play Free Fire on PC. Before we go to the video, I need you to make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Now let's start the video. Before we go to download Free Fire, you need to open your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox or anything that you have. I open my Google Chromes. I open my Google Chromes and then search LD player and enter. Scroll down a little bit, you will see the right one in here. LD player lightweight and fast Android emulator for PC. Yeah, click here and then scroll down a little bit. You will see download LD Player 9 or LD Player 5. I want to download LD Player 9. Yeah, click download and then it is installed for you. Wait a minute and install it. Yeah, it is ready. And then you click here and click show in folder and then install it. Yeah, click yes, click install. When you install LD Player 9 ready, please open Play Store and then search Free Fire. You click search Free Fire. Yeah, click Free Fire and then you see this is the game Free Fire, the first one. Click here and then click download. I download already and you need to download, and then when download ready you click opens. Clicks opens. Yeah, it's work. It can play on the PC. If you want to download a Free Fire on PC, you need to do like me, step by step. It will work on PC, can play on PC. Yes, this click and then click start. Okay. Click start for play.
Kill. Triple kill. Quadra kill.